I am going to discuss four important uses of the preposition among with you people. Among means to be included in a group. Your family members were among the visitors. It means that your family members were among the group that paid a visit. Among also means to the individuals in a group. For example, distribute the food among the needy. In this sentence, we are referring to a particular group and the group belongs to the needy people. So, distribution of food to a particular group that is of the needy people. It involves the use of preposition among. Among also means surrounded by. For example, they lived in a hut among the birds. It means they lived in a hut surrounded by the birds. Among also means with each other. For example, they quarreled among themselves. It also involves verbs such as play, discuss, fight. Whenever you use these words, you can use among as a preposition with these verbs. So these are the most important uses of among. Keep watching for more informative videos. Thank you.